Welcome to all of you. In this video we are going to know about the application writing. So let us understand what is an application. So application is a formal written request. It's a written request and it is usually written for assistance, for taking an admission or for employment purpose, seeking favor, information, permission, services, etc. So an application letter is largely a formal type of letter. Why? Because it follows a format, predefined format, which is applicable to most type of application letters. So we say that this is a formal letter writing. Now why we should write the application, purposes and uses. So whenever we want certain holidays from our school, a leave, then we write the leave application to the letter to the principal, and in this kind of application we are generally request. And then similarly, when we need to open an account passbook issued from the bank, we are requested to write a letter. So this is again the formal written request is there. And sometimes when we want a loan from the bank, we apply for it by an application letter. For seeking the job, we write the application in form of the cover letter. So these are the uses of application writing. Now difference. What is the difference between letter writing and application writing? So the letter writing could be anything that falls within narrative writing. It can be descriptive, explanations may be there, but in an application writing there is explanation, but convincing is the most important part of the application. Whenever we apply, we need to convince the reader that we are most deserving among rest of the applicants. So this is the basic difference. Now important points to write an application. Some important points are we should always write the application in a polite manner. We should mention the purpose precisely, subject, purpose precisely for which we are requesting. Then depth of application should be maintained. Application should be brief and to the point. Then finally, after writing it, we should cross check the grammar mistakes or punctuation marks mistakes. Now let us know the format of application. So there should be first of all receiver's address, whom we are writing. Means if we are writing to a principal, then principal's address. So first receiver's address, then space, and then date. The format of date should not be like dot slash dash. There should be proper way of writing. Date is 5th March 2021. Proper way. Not no dash, no slash, no dots should be there. Then subject. Leave space and then write the subject. Subject should not be like too many words should not be there. Just make it precise. Make it short. Then salutation. In salutation, respected sir and respected madam. That should be better way. More appropriate. Now then body. In the body of the application, there should be 3 parts. First, introductory lines. We should not directly jump on the main topic that I want 2 days leave like that. We just introduce ourselves, then we should come to the main body of the letter application, and then concluding. In concluding lines, we should conclude the things by saying that therefore I want this kind of, and I shall be highly obliged, like this. Then courteous ending. I shall be highly obliged, or seeking for your favorable consideration, like these kind of lines for courteous ending. Then complimentary phrase, thanking you, your sincerely, or your obediently. Then if you are a student, then just write your name, class and section, and if you are any other purpose you are writing, just write your name and signature with your designation. Now here is the examples. First example is write an application for a week's leave to the principal of your school as you are unable to attend school because of viral fever. Answer is the principal, LBS School, RK Puram, New Delhi, 5 March 2021. Application for leave. Respected madam, respectfully I would like to state that I am in bed with an attack of viral fever. So I will not be able to attend school for a week. I request you to be kind enough to grant me leave for 6 days. I shall be absent from today 5th March, then I shall be absent from 6th March 2021 to 13th March 2021. So okay, then yours obediently, Rudra, class 6, section A. Now question number 2, example. Write an application to the principal of your school for fee concession. Answer. To the principal, LBS School, RK Puram, New Delhi, 6 March 2021. Subject: application for fee concession. Respected madam, most respectfully I would like to inform you that I am a student of class 7th in your school. The financial condition of my family is very bad. My father's monthly income is rupees 9,000 only. He has to support a family of 6 members. He is not in a position to pay my fees, but I have a keen desire to get my education as I am a brilliant student. Kindly grant me full fee concession and oblige. Your faithfully, Aditya, roll number 31. So this is all about the application writing. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And if it is liked by you, please subscribe the channel and share the video. God bless us all.